Hello, and I'm Tina, and welcome to Living Well with Young Living Products. Now, I know from time to time you see me on my Facebook group, Living Well with Young Living Products. You see me post different things on how I utilize Young Living products in my day-to-day life. And not only that, how I use them, not only with myself, but my family, and how I get the best benefit. I have also talked about the Young Living various kits and essential oils. And the kit that I'm getting ready to talk to you about right now, I have already featured it with different little posts and stuff talking about our feelings. But I felt that it was necessary for me with this particular kit to come on and let you guys know, or let you guys see me so that you can understand what I'm trying to convey to you about this awesome kit. Now, I do have some notes just to keep me on track, but for the most part, I'm going to be talking directly to you because I really want you to understand and feel my enthusiasm for this particular kit. Now, we are going to be talking about feelings. And my camera just went blank. Well, at any rate, this is what we're going to be talking. We're going to be talking about the feelings kit today. Now, all of us have different emotions, different feelings that we have to deal with, different stresses that just from our day-to-day life. The questions that I have to ask you basically now, are you in control of your emotions? Right now, at this point, do you feel that you are in control of your emotions and your feelings? And for the most part, most of us do not feel that way. So if you're one of those people or one of those individuals that feel like you need help with balancing your emotions or balancing your feelings, well, this video is directly to you. Or if you know somebody that may benefit from this video, after I do this video, feel free to share it with your friends and your family. Let's talk about those. During the winter months, we usually feel very, very emotional. And I am so sorry about this. I'm trying to get this lighting right. Okay. We usually feel very emotional. Sometimes we deal with negative feelings because during the winter months, it can be a little dreary because it's less sun, it's less hours in the day. So therefore, well, not less hours in the day, but less sunshine in the day. So we usually get into that hibernation phase where we just stay in more. We're not out as much because it's cold. So sometimes that can play a great effect on how we feel emotionally and how our feelings feel. So, one important thing that I want you guys to understand is that when you have these emotions and they're negative, they can really wreak havoc on your wellness. Because emotion play a significant part in how well we feel or how well our health is. Because if you look at any studies, you will see how having a very stressful or having a very negative mindset can really wreak havoc on various things that face with us with our wellness. So what I'm going to talk about to you today is give you a solution, or try to give you, if not a solution, give you some advice about some things that you can do with your feelings. And this particular kit. So what I'm going to do now is going to take out one oil at a time. I want to just show you guys how this kit looks. And I don't know why my camera is getting dark. But at any rate, and I'm so sorry. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Harmony. Now, Harmony is one of those essential oils, and I wish you guys could smell this because it really smells so good. Just smelling it will make you feel your emotions feel uplifted. Well, this particular essential oil, just like I said, is a very uplifting essential oil. It's one of those essential oils, when you smell it, it makes you feel positive. It just uplifts you. It has a very, I don't want to say romantic scent, but to me, that's the way it smells. It just smells very, very good, very, very pleasurable. So if you put it into your diffuser, you'll be able to smell that, and anyone else would that's inside the room or the area in which that you're diffusing this particular essential oil in. So it helps you deal with those emotions and also help to be uplifting. Now, one unique thing about all these particular oils in this kit is that when you get this essential oil, you are not just getting one oil in the bottle. You are getting several blends of different essential oils within this one bottle. Like, for example, I'm not going to go over all the oils that's in Harmony, but I'm just going to give you a couple key ones to let you know how awesome this oil is. It has the Roman Hawaiian sandalwood essential oil in it, lavender, frankincense, ylang ylang, orange. It has hyssop, black spruce, and it has Roman chamomile and rose. But that's just some of them. It has many more inside this one bottle. So when you're using Harmony, you're getting not just one oil, you're getting several different oils to make that one special blend of Harmony. Now let's go to forgiveness. Who don't need some forgiveness in their life? I know I do. So when we're dealing with this particular feeling or emotion, you can pull out this particular essential oil, forgiveness, and it will help to support you with negative feelings. It'll help support or letting go of those negative feelings. It'll also help you with personal growth. So the smell, let me see, can I describe the smell? It smells really, really good. So it has like a very robust smell, but it's not overwhelming or like over scented. It's very, very pleasant and mild in its scent. So when you use this, it'll also help you with those conquering those negative feelings. Now let's go on to the next essential oil, which is Inner Child. So this essential oil has a very sweet smell. So if you're a person who loves sweet smelling aroma, then this is going to definitely be the one that you want to use. Oh yes, I'm sorry. It really smells so good. It has a really sweet, it has a really good scent. And this is the Inner Child. And this particular essential oil helps encourage you to reconnect with your authentic self. So it helps you if you're in that period in your life where you're trying to have self-development, trying to embrace change, trying to get over some emotions, maybe residual feelings from your past. That would be a good one to use, which will be your Inner Child. And like some of the oils that's in there is like, I love tangerine. It has the tangerine essential oil. It also has the Roman sandalwood. It has jasmine. It has ylang ylang, and it has orange. And of course it has so many other essential oils in this particular blend of Inner Child. Let's go on to the next one, which is Present Time. This Present Time essential oil, let me smell it for you because I love smelling them. It has a very woodsy, in my opinion, a very woodsy scent, but it smells good. This is one of those essential oils if your feelings and emotions have you where you lack focus when you're really emotional, or you really if you're really emotional and you have really strong feelings and it mess with your focus. And I know sometimes it depends on whatever situation I'm dealing with at the moment. It can really just mess with my focus. I can't seem to get balance. I can't seem to get focused. So that's where this beautiful essential oil, Present Time, comes into play. Present Time is one of those essential oils that helps you focus on the here and the now, in the moment. And it also helps you to look beyond the past and helps you to move forward. So this one, I feel like most people will really, really love because this essential oil helps with focus. And all of us need help with that, I feel like. So let's go on to the next one. We are already on number 5 because I didn't want to make this video too long. So the next essential oil in this kit is the Release. And I'm going to let me smell it first. Okay. Let me tell you how this smells. It has a very relaxing scent. So when you smell it, it's very relaxing. It's very tranquil. It just makes you feel positive. And Release, hence the title. This essential oil has a very relaxing aroma. It also helps you deal with anger and frustration. So if you're having one of those very frantic days that everybody's really getting on your nerves, we all have those moments, like everybody is picking on you that day. Because I know sometimes you can go somewhere and seem like everywhere you go, you're like, what is all this negativity? Well, this one helps you release that, and it also helps you handle that frustration, and it also helps promote harmony. So when you smell this essential oil, or you diffuse it in the air, or you you can do it 2 ways with this kit. You can put these oils on you topically, or you can actually put it in your diffuser and smell it. And right now they also have car diffusers so that you can put in your car, so you can actually diffuse in your car if that's what you like. And it just helps you balance those particular emotions. Let's talk about the last one, which is my absolute favorite essential oil in this particular kit, which is Valor. Now, this is essential oil that just got back in stock a couple of months ago. So this is a very, very hard oil for Youngliving to keep on the market, to keep in circulation, because one of the ingredients in Valor is blue tansy. So you have to just wait till that crop is ready to be harvested, and they do not rush the process. They don't use pesticides and all that stuff to make it go faster. So Youngliving do not put poison and chemicals on their products. So it runs the natural process. So blue tansy is one of those things that you have to wait till it's in season and stuff, but it's one of the ingredients that's inside this Valor. And Valor has a very, I don't even know, it kind of smells baby powderish. But I particularly love this essential oil because it helps with positive attitude. It helps you unwind. This is one of those essential oils. If you had a really, really rough, dreary, negative filled day, and you need to figure out what essential oil from this particular kit, this feelings kit, to use to help you unwind, this is, in my opinion, the best oil to do that. I have put this essential oil on the bottom of my feet with a carrier oil. And if you don't know what a carrier oil is just basically an oil like sweet almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and you just use it with the essential oil. I rub that on my foot. Sometimes I put it on my temples, and I kid you not, within 10-15 minutes, I am in the most restful sleep I have ever experienced. And all the stresses from that particular day has diminished. I'm able to wind down. So if you're a person that you find it hard to unwind at the end of the day, which most of us are, especially women, because we are so multitasking, multifaceted, that we're doing 20 things in one day. We're doing this, that, and this and that. And then at the end of the day, when it's time to go to sleep or time to relax, we can't because we're so hyped up from doing everything throughout the day. This particular oil helps you unwind. I have to have this in my house at all times. So, to recap, the oils that we talked about today that are in this beautiful feelings kit are Harmony, Valor, Inner Child, Forgiveness, Present Time, and also the Release. So if you're looking for something to help you therapeutically wise, to help you get your emotions in check, to help you get balance and control, to help you unwind, to help you with negativity, to help you be more positive and uplifted. This is the kit for you, because that's what it's for. It's for you. It's for you to help you balance those feelings and emotions. So I felt like today I really needed to get on to let you see me, because I have also put a post on my group about this feelings kit. But I said, you know what? They just need to hear me and see me to understand how awesome this kit is. So if you want this kit, just private message me and let me know. I'll give you like the prices and all that of the kit. If this is not the kit that you wanted and you was ever on the fence about getting a membership with Young Living, which is not a monthly membership, it's just a one-time fee, and then that allows you to be able to get 24% off anything that you purchase from Young Living, which could be makeup, food products, face products, oh my goodness, the list goes on and on, essential oils. Young Living has everything, and they're all chemical free and all natural, so you can really trust the product and the company when it comes down to that. I have been using it for 20 months now, Young Living products, and I was one of the people that are the most sensitive person. I feel like I'm the most sensitive person in the world when it comes down to using products and stuff like that. So I was a little leery at first about trying Young Living at first, because I knew I had a lot of sensitivities, but I have been using it 20 months now. And by far, this has been the most wonderful experience, and it has really helped support not only my wellness, but my entire family. So with that being said, if this is not the kit for you, we do have a premium starter kit that you can start at, and you get 11 essential oils, a diffuser, some samples, some information, along with that 24% off discount. So if you want to know anything about that, just private message me, and I'll be glad to walk you through the process. You can even go to my website at www.myyounglyl.com/Tina and Curtis. So if you want that information, I'll be happy. If you just want to get just one of the essential oils, which is totally fine as well, and you don't have to become a member if that's something that you don't want to do. You can just buy the products straight out. You're just going to pay full price. I like to tell people how they can support their wellness and also save some money at the same time. That's just me. But at any rate, I wanted to come on and tell you guys about this awesome kit. You guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. And all the other products to say that. But at any rate, I just want to come on, talk to you guys really, really quick about this filling kit. And if you have any more questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to have a private Zoom meeting with you, or we can talk via Facebook Messenger. I'm fine with that if you have any more questions. So again, this is Tina from Living Well with Young Living Products. Just want to give you guys something to talk about, dealing with these feelings and these emotions, so that we can get these things under control and get done what we have to get done in a positive, uplifted way. So again, have a great day. Bye.